While there's no single cure-all for liver repair, incorporating specific foods into your diet can significantly bolster your liver's natural regeneration process.
Here are 10 powerhouses to consider. Cruciferous vegetables.
Broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and kale are champions of antioxidant and phytonutrient content. One such phytonutrient, sulforaphane, assists the liver's detoxification process by supporting enzyme production and eliminating harmful substances.
Fatty fish.
Salmon, sardines, mackerel, and herring are swimming with omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats exhibit anti-inflammatory properties and may improve non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFL.
Berries.
Don't underestimate the punch packed by blueberries, raspberries, cranberries, and cherries.
These brightly colored fruits are loaded with polyphenol antioxidants that act as a shield for liver cells, protecting them from damage and reducing inflammation. Green tea.
This energizing beverage boasts catechins, particularly epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, a potent antioxidant that research suggests may improve liver function and guard against NAFLD.
Beetroot.
Beetroot does double duty by containing nitrates that convert to nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide improves blood flow to the liver, enhancing its detoxification capabilities and potentially reducing inflammation.
Nuts. Almonds, walnuts, and pistachios are overflowing with L-arginine, an amino acid that aids the liver in processing ammonia, a waste product. These heart-healthy nuts are also a source of healthy fats that can contribute to improved blood sugar control, another perk for liver health. Olive oil.
Extra virgin olive oil stands out for its richness in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. These beneficial components can help reduce inflammation and shield the liver from damage.
Garlic. Garlic isn't just for warding off vampires.
It contains sulfur-containing compounds that trigger the liver's detoxification enzymes. Garlic may also help reduce inflammation and offer protection against fatty liver disease.
Avocado. Avocados are a delightful source of monounsaturated fats, which can contribute to lowering inflammation and improving blood sugar control, both of which benefit the liver. Whole grains.
Brown rice, quinoa, and oats are brimming with fiber, a dietary hero that helps regulate blood sugar and cholesterol levels, ultimately reducing stress on the liver. Remember, the key to optimizing your liver health lies in a balanced and varied diet. Consulting with a doctor or registered dietitian can help you create a personalized plan to keep your liver functioning at its best.